Obtain a swift and accurate cell count with just a few clicks on your Mateo FL and forget about tedious manual counting. Place your sample on the stage. Now select your desired channel. You can choose between phase contrast for the transmitted light option or one of the fluorescent channels. Use the focus knob to adjust the focus, as well as the object guide to select the desired field of view. Once you're happy with your selection, simply click on AI Module and go to Cell Counting. Now you can add more images from different regions and get the average and total cell count of your sample. Just capture images from different areas of your vessel and simply click Start to Calculate. Measure the diameter of your cells manually or automatically. Select your sample carrier from the drop-down menu and click Calculate. And a few seconds later, you get the average and total number of cells in the vessel. Mateo FL for reliable, reproducible advanced cell checks.